morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our second golden ticket assembly for 2021. Yes, we have completed 2 weeks of lockdown and well done everyone staying home, keeping Mile Cross safe and obviously helping to keep everyone well. So please keep it up, and it's fantastic to see all of that work that's going on, and hopefully you'll also be able to catch today my shout out assembly, so look out for that on YouTube as well and have a look at all the shout outs as well. But this morning we've just got our golden ticket winners, these super special stars for nursery reception year 1 and year 2. It's Friday the 15th of January, and let's find out in nursery who's won themselves a golden ticket this morning. And obviously, we have 2 children this morning. This child is kind, friendly, and tries his best both at home and in school. This child has a great imagination, loves stories, and doing lots of fantastic work at home. And lots of children in nursery absolutely are. And they're helping out, they've been really kind, they're working so independently and working as hard as they possibly can. I know Miss Wright is really impressed. The 2 children though this morning get the golden tickets are Zachariah Arafat. Look at there, Zachariah, look at him, look, working hard there, big smiley face. Arafat, look at this, big smiley face, and look at him working hard. Well done, boys, huge congratulations, really well done. This will be coming in the post, so look out for it in the post. It's coming soon. Huge congratulations and big round of applause. Well done, both of you. Keep up the good work, keep posting on Tapestry. I know Miss Wright's really impressed, so well done. Moving on to reception, we move on to turtle class. Here we go, look, this child has from day 1 been an absolute delight. His manners are impeccable and he is a kind and caring friend to all the reception children. He has tried really hard to win the golden ticket. So here it is, well done. Bailey, here he is, look at him, look, at home as well, working really hard with Mrs. Wishy-Washy, and that is such a superb story map you've done there, Bailey. Huge congratulations, buddy, look out for that in the post, really well done. I know all Turtle class will be really pleased for you. Congratulations, buddy, keep up the good work. Moving on, we've got Sharks. Look at the Sharks, look, our golden ticket winner this week is for her fantastic home learning. Well done. She is so enthusiastic to complete the task and is making huge progress in her learning. What a brilliant star. Keep it up. Georgia! There she is. Look at Georgia. Look at that. Look at her writing. Absolutely amazing, Georgia. Keep that up. Keep it up at home. Fantastic big smiley face. Thank you for that. Really cheered me up. Really cheered me up. This is coming in the post. Look out for it, Georgia. I'm so proud of you, hun. Well done. And thank you for all the hard work you're doing at home. Moving on to Year 1, Miss Marshall, look at this. This child deserves a golden ticket this week because they have been very helpful to the adults and kind to the children. They have had a good go at writing this week too, and just keeping on trying. He really is trying, and it's really well deserved. Dennis! Here he is, look at that, look at him, look. Look, Dennis, you superstar. Well done, buddy, really well deserved again. Keep up that hard work, keep working hard at home as well. Right, keep doing it, keep being helpful as well and kind, all right, Dennis? Well done, buddy, thank you. Moving on, here we go, Miss Begum saying this person has been trying hard with her phonics and is good at spotting special friends when reading and spelling a word. We have been working on time for maths and she is brilliant at remembering to talk in full sentences when answering her questions. That's all we can ask of year 1. Golden ticket goes to Monica. Well done, Monica, look, there she is. Good girl, absolutely superb, Monica. Keep it up, please. Keep up that learning at home as well. Keep doing that, everything, the time with maths. Keep doing your writing, keep doing your reading. Really well done. Look at this will be coming in the post to you. Well done, Monica, superstar. Moving on to year 2. Here we go. Miss Hawkins says this child has been a superstar with her learning at home. Every day she is watching the phonics video and joining in with the speed sounds and speedy green words. She's been really careful with her maths work and has been uploading videos of her reading aloud and saying our new story map. Wow, so keep up the good, amazing work going on at home. Really well done. Golden ticket goes to Sky. Here she is. Look at that, Sky. Amazing writing. Look at the computer as well. Doing the spelling shed, superb spelling shed there. Look at the maths going on. Absolutely amazing, Sky. Massive work. And I want one of these, please. Okay, they look delicious, but really well done. You deserve this golden ticket. Be coming in the post, so really well. Keep it up. Keep working as hard as you have done. It's superb. Thank you, Sky. Moving on. Mrs. Cook says this child works hard in class and has been absolutely amazing at home too. You all have. It's brilliant. Keep it up, guys. He is concentrating hard and doing his best with a great big smile on his face. Really is. Well done too. Ramin, here he is. Look at that. Come on, Ramin. Look at that smile, buddy. Thank you. Cheering up Mr. Allen as well. But amazing work, okay? Star work, golden ticket. Well done, Ramin. Keep it up. I know you are working so hard every single day. So really well done. This is coming in the post to you this weekend. So look out for it. Well done. Finally, thank you to all of our winners and all the parents out there. Thank you so much for everything that you're doing, posting on Tapestry, engaging with the online learning, picking up the work packs. We're going to keep on doing this, moving forward all the way through to half term and probably beyond. So please do keep it up, keep posting on Tapestry, keep engaging with that, because it's fantastic to see how much learning is going on. Really a huge thank you from Mr. Allen. And my final word again is, we know now, we stay home, we protect Marcross, and we help keep everyone safe. Please, please stick to that. If we can do that in Marcross, we will keep us all safe. Please do that. And until next week, bye-bye everyone.